Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Today we're going to look at 41648 Comstock over in the Big Bear Lake area. Fixer-upper, as you can see from the outside. Come check this one out. Okay, so here we are from the street. Right down here you have Thrush at this intersection right here, and that will take you all the way to Snow Summit via the back road. And then you can also get to the village from here going back roads too. So little side street underneath Snow Summit. Walking distance. You kind of get a little bitty peekaboo view of it through some trees over here. So real nice neighborhood, a 10,000 square foot lot. So really big, 100 by 100. Imagine, so I've already walked the inside of it. It appears like it needs a lot of love. Somebody might just kind of scrap it and start again. Fenced, partially fenced. You also have a little split rail fence up here. And they've been on the market a couple weeks now. So you have the lot line over there on the left. And we've got over here by these bushes is where the lot line to the right is going to be. And then you've got fenced area over here. I'll show that to you later. So you do have a 2-car garage. As you can see, there's a lot of repair that needs to be done just from snow sitting up against the siding. So sanding, staining, replacing some wood for sure. Some gutters on this one would be nice. And also, it's kind of nice that they've got some big eaves right here. So covered entry. I do sense that they have single pane windows. So something that you might want to update. I'm going to warn you ahead of time, it might be a little bit dark. There are no utilities on here. So we'll see what we can do. So you enter, it looks like they've upgraded this floor, some rock flooring here. And from here you've got the living room off to the right. Definitely new flooring is a must. It's dual pane, but it's dual single pane. So you've got your winter windows and your summer windows. I think you can take that outside window off and put it back on when you need it. So great thing to note, they do have central heating. I cannot tell you the last time somebody's been in this home. Seems like it's been vacant for a very long time. So it's kind of like a 70s. And then we've obviously got something going on right here because you've got some moisture in the ceiling. I can't tell if there's a lot of water up above in the roof and it is melting, but it's not currently leaking in here. So who knows if I can't really even tell if it's a new roof out there or not either. So you do have wood paneling here in a hall closet. And I think this is like a central vac system. So first off, let's go to the right. I always like to kind of go through kitchen, living room areas first. So here we have some more upgraded flooring, but different from the fireplace here. So here we've got what would be the dining room. And it's got its own fireplace as well. It does not have, oh yeah, it does have a gas starter on it. It's over here on the wall, along with the central vac and this thing. Very interesting. And a wall of rock for the fireplace. Then we've got a gallery kitchen with one of the most vintage ovens I have ever seen. Oh, wow. I've never seen that before. That is really cool. Got Formica. Whole new kitchen you could put in here. Then back here we've got access to the outside, and then we've got access to the garage right here. And in the garage you just kind of have access to the attic right there. Oh, definitely. I'm even sure that doesn't look like a furnace. It almost looks like a kiln. So that could be fine. It does appear that you've got some water in here. I can't see anywhere that it would have come from. But I know it's melting outside. So as you can see, just a lot of cleanup work too, but lots of storage as well. And then in here, flooring's not really laid properly, but this is your laundry room. Travertine flooring and a little half bath off of here. And a closet. It's kind of not sure what, that scared me. What's going on with that electrical either. But now let's go into the bedrooms. So this one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. As you can see, somebody has gone and ripped up all the carpet in different sections. Again, double single pane. And then it looks like somebody tried to get the popcorn ceilings off. But really nice closets right here. So our square footage, and I'm sorry, it is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. So I think it's gonna actually be 2.5 because that first one that we saw is just a half. So here we have bedroom number 2. Again, just really random floors that they had put in here. Almost seems like there was like an eviction or something on it. Then we've got bathroom number 1, full bathroom. Not sure what happened or what used to be here. You got a pink tub. And interesting how the flooring transitions right there. More central vacuum and just like storage space. And then this one's gonna be your master. So on this one you've got 2 closets, and then you're gonna have the bathroom here. There's no floors in here. So on a lot of this is you're gonna need to get, for a loan, you may need to have flooring in here before you're able to get a loan, depending upon what kind of loan it is. But definitely utilities need to be turned on. Right now I'm gonna take you outside So total square footage, 1588. The lot size is, I was wrong, it was 13,000, not 10,000, so a little bit bigger. You can see nice houses all around you. Here is the access into that laundry room right here. And we have our water heater here. And then you do have an area right here where you can pull up and put like a boat back here, but you might have to maneuver around those or trim back those bushes right there. So definitely a great place for, you know, to add some love to a home. They are on the market for $589,000. One other thing to think about too is that it is only a half mile from Snow Summit. So big lot, 3-2, half mile from Snow Summit. Fixer upper with all the things that you can see, like kitchens, bathrooms, you know, popcorn ceilings, doors, so many things that you can see, but then so many things that you cannot see, like what's going on with the ceiling right here. So there you have it. Let me know if you would like to come take a tour. I will be here for you. Talk to you soon. Bye.